Hello and welcome to another mini lesson with me, Teacher Lindsey. Today we're looking at mental arithmetic. That's solving problems faster using tricks and tips, which I'm going to teach you today. Here's the first page of problems. How fast can you solve them? Can you do it without paper? Pause the video. Answer the questions and then press play again. So 7 plus 1 equals 8. Good, a nice easy one to start with. Now, how did you work out 99 plus 10? Did you write it in columns like this? Make sure you have your tens and your units lined up. So 0 plus 9 equals 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So the answer is 109. Let's have a look at the next one. So 20 plus 40 plus 40. Now, all of these numbers, they're in the tens, so we can take off the zeros and add 2 plus 4 plus 4. That equals 10. Remember to add the 0 back on, so we have 100. The next question is back to front. So 81 minus 38 equals our answer. Let's line them up again. Remember, we have to line up the tens and the units. 1 minus 8, we can't do that, so we need to borrow a 1 from the 8. So that gives us 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. Then 7 minus 3, because remember we borrowed the 1, equals 4. So the answer is 43. We could write this equation as 81 minus 38 equals 43. It doesn't matter which way round. Okay, the next equation is 6 times 5. Did you get the answer? A quick way of getting the 5 times table is times 10 and then half. This works because 5 is half of 10. So 6 times 10 is 60. Then we half it. That gives us 30. So 6 times 5 is 30. Okay, the next question is 90 divided by 10. Let me show you a quick way of doing this. Just cross out the 0. Then we have our answer. So 90 divided by 10 equals 9. Okay, the last question has a fraction, but I will show you how to solve it. A third of 15 is the same as saying 15 divided by 3. That means a third of 15 equals 5. Well done! Let's do some more. Solve these problems. Can you do it without paper? The first question is 8 plus 6. Now one trick I do is how can I make 10? 8 plus 2. If I take 2 from 6, what's left? 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. The next question has subtraction. 52 minus 7. Let's write it in columns. Make sure the tens and the units line up. 2 minus 7. No, we can't do that. So we borrow 1 from the 5. 12 minus 7 is 5. 4, because remember we borrowed a 1, 4 minus 0 is 4. So 52 minus 7 equals 45. 5 plus 6 plus 7. A quick way of doing this is 5 plus 5 plus 5. But there's 1 extra from 6 and 2 extra from 7. So we have 15 plus 1 plus 2 is 18. That's quicker. Remember, when we divide by 10, we take off 1 0 from the end. But when we times by 10, we add a 0. So 9 times 10, we add a 0 to the 9. 9 times 10 equals 90. The next question has 3 parts. So I like to join them up, so it's quicker to work it out. What is 10 plus 10? 20. So 74 minus 20 is 54. The next question has another fraction. This time, it's a quarter. To get a quarter, we can divide by 4. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. Another way is to half it and half it again, because half of a half is a quarter. So, a quarter of 16 equals 4. The 11 times table is one of my favourites. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Can you see the pattern? What we can do is divide by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Then we line it up into tens and units. So 55 divided by 5 equals 11. Good job. We have one more page to work out together. Pause the video and solve the problems. Okay, so the first question is 10 minus 7 equals. We can use our fingers for this. Pop down 7 fingers. How many are left? 3. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Okay, the next question is addition. Again, we can join 2 of these numbers to make it easier. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. For the next question, we're going to take off those zeros for now. So we can work out that 5 plus 3 equals 8. Then we have to add on that 0 again. So 50 plus 30 equals 80. Look at where the equal sign is for the next question. Let's switch it around. 9 times 2 equals. I want you to watch this video about the 9 times table. It's magic. 9 times 2 is 18. Oh, there are 3 numbers to add in the next question. So let's join them together. 10 plus 10 is 20. 27 plus 20 equals 47. Well done. Okay, half of 16. Remember, we can divide by 2. So, 16 divided by 2 equals 8. So half of 16 is 8. Okay, the last question. 80 divided by 10. Do you remember what we do? That's right. Let's cross out 1 0 from the end. So 80 divided by 10 equals 8. Fantastic work. Now it's your turn. I want you to solve these problems. Pause the video and write out the problems on a piece of paper. Your homework is to solve these problems and show me how you got the answer. Send me a photo. Enjoy practicing your mental arithmetic.